Do you want to walk? Okay, let's go. Let's go a little walk. We know you're going to go potty really quick. Huh? You like walking so much. Look at you, honey. She going walking. She loves it. I got Baggy's easy, honey. He's like, I'm walking. I'm so happy. I know it. I know. I know you get to walk. We gotta get you walking more because of your big belly. Okay, you got poo-poo here. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Come here, I'll pull your butt. Hey, wait. Stop, sit, wait. Okay. Okay. I got your poo-poo. We'll take it to the dumpster. Good girl. Come this way. Where you going? It's such a gloomy morning. It's a gloomy morning for a walk, Stelly. It's even gonna rain. Mommy getting raindrops. Yeah. We gotta take you walking early in the morning so that your chubby belly can go away a little. Come on now. No, that's not your house. We gotta throw your poo-poo in the dumpster. So pretty, the big trees. It's gloomy. It's gloomy, Stelly. And there's a squirrel over there. Big trees. These trees are big and old trees, old oak trees. And a beautiful magnolia. Come on. These big, beautiful water oak trees are just so nice. They're so big compared to Stelly. This doesn't give her justice. See how big the tree is compared to a little puppy. Yeah, come on, Stell. Come on. You smell someone went there. I know. It's so big. So pretty. Come on, boo. Let's walk. Let's throw your poo-poos. Come on, let's go to the dumpster. Come on. People are building materials. They must have been playing. Whole thing, oh my God. Whole thing of insulation. Too bad we weren't renovating right now. What you doing?